It's my pleasure to be here in this national conference because it is so smoothly being organized by the organizers and they have got so many grants. And I wish all the best for the organizing committee and all the people who are behind the scenes to be a huge success for this conference.
You must have visited this institution and just assessed the facilities
I
here.
am facilities. I think that it can be enhanced a lot because, like we see that auditorium must be replaced by some good auditorium because I see a galaxy of people over here. They are specialized of various fields, and they deserve much better things than this one.
If we talk about overall educational standards of, in particular in higher education, so you come from MIT University
Yeah.
and just visiting colleges here. So what's the difference
I see
in
the
terms of
students
standard?
here are more dedicated. I can say that they are very much fascinated by the education system. They need lots of things. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. That they have good faculty members. They are renowned faculty members. The government should also support.
Exchange program, you will
Yeah,
advocate for that.
definitely. If student exchange program will be there, these students will be more nourished. They will be, you can say, they will be more enthusiastic to learn better. They can get more environment over there. So it is a good thing, like he said. That
Holding conference is it's a order of the day in every college. Today it's in Sopore College, tomorrow it will be in Srinagar.
Yeah, I have attended
But
various
how to make
college.
these conferences relevant to the students in terms of academics, like to have an exact output of this, what should be done?
I have attended various conferences in Kashmir, but this conference is something different because here the scientists are from different backgrounds and they are from prestigious institutions. So it all depends on the students that how much they can reap the benefits from the scientists who have come here. And yes, it is a good thing that the scientists also can collaborate with each other and then can make a cohesive atmosphere, like I said in my talk also.